How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the temperature in Anycubic slicer. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just finish up the model that you're doing, and from there, after having some different filaments on your slicer right here, which is basically located on the size category right here. Now there's going to be different temperature for each filament, and the most popular one is going to be the PLA. If you want to change the temperature of your filaments, you can just click on the edit presets option right beside the name of the filament that you want to edit. In here, you have the ability to change the basic information, name, shrinkage, and more. But if you scroll down enough, you have the print nozzle, which is going to be the nozzle brass for the first layer and other layers. As a default, it is set to 230 degrees Celsius. Same with the other layers. And basically, we also have the bed temperature as well. We have the textured PI plate if you're using that, smooth plate, cool plate, and that's basically it. You can change it right here however you want to. And if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.